Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn Phonics with Shalini. So, are you ready to learn a new sound? Yes? So, when letter O and A sit together, they make the long sound O. So, let's read few words with the help of short story. So, once upon a time, letter O and letter A went on a boat. 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 They were sailing on the road of water. So the next word is road. 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 Suddenly, they saw a goat on a road. So, goat. 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 Near the goat shop. Goat. Goat. So, the O and A laughed. Ha 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 ha, and said, whenever we are together, we say oh. So, look at this picture. Boat. 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 Goat. Goat. Road. Road. Goat. Goat. So, when O and A come together, it make a long sound O. So, if you like our video, please like, subscribe and share.